Prime Minister is expected to announce on the 23rd of June if the hospitality sector can reopen on the 4th of July after the coronavirus pandemic lockdown eases. Boris Johnson will discuss England's approach to the changes with the COVID-19 Strategy Committee ahead of an announcement in Parliament. Emma McClarkin, the Chief Executive of the British Beer and Pub Association, says the date is clarity the hospitality sector needs.
We need that clarity in order to make sure we're doing the right preparations. We're looking forward to the release of the guidance that they have written to, but that confirmation date is absolutely essential so we can make sure that our businesses are opening, investing and being ready to welcome back their customers. The pandemic has been devastating for the pub sector. They've had their doors closed since March, as well as our brewers when those taps were turned off. Many of our breweries have been mothballed and reliant completely on the on-trade. So we need to get a date back for reopening and get our trade up and running again to help those brewers keep brewing our national drink, but also getting our Great British Pub back alive again.
Mr Johnson is likely to review the 2 metre social distancing rule as well and possibly reduce it. Emma says getting it reduced to World Health Organisation recommended levels is vital for the number of customers allowed in each venue.
Well, it's really important that we are getting that 2 metres down to 1 metre. Social distancing remains a challenge for pubs. We are the original social network, so 2 metres would only see 1/3 of our pubs opening. But if we get that reduced to the WHO 1 metre, that means that we can actually open 2/3 of our sector, which really is the reopening of an economy and will help so many more of our Great British pubs survive.
With the economy suffering the effects of the coronavirus, Emma says the pubs need to reopen soon as the cost of the pandemic could mean it's more than a year till they recover.
Well, the pandemic has been devastating for the pub sector. We employ just under 1 million people in the beer and pub sector. And we, of course, need to find a way that we can rebuild that trade over time. But we have looked at how that will happen, and it will take time to win the confidence back of our consumers. And some of our members say it could take up to a year to get anywhere near normal trading again. So we're going to need continued support, not only from the public in returning to their local pub and supporting them, but also from the government that has to really make an investment in our industry if it wants to see us survive.